Kendall, be happy na. Sissy is mad. Come na, be happy. Let's be happy now, okay? Okay? Okay, sit down. You will choose now, okay? Okay, sit down.
Okay. You listen to instruction, okay? Listen to instruction, okay?
Oh, mommy will tell the
I
instruction.
have a clue. Listen and choose carefully.
You understand? Tugon. Opo, mother.
You say opo.
Opo.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay. The first one is the sticker. Okay.
Good.
Just wait. Just wait. You will
Don't
choose.
touch. Don't touch, baby.
Oh, don't touch daw, don't touch it.
Next one is the bubbles. You like the bubbles?
Yeah.
Very, very much?
Yes.
Okay,
This
then.
one was kind of only good because I'll put because it will fall away sometimes.
Why do you like this one?
No, because it will fall away because I don't know.
This one? You like this one?
Yeah, almost because
Almost.
I'll
So much,
put on
so
my
much?
eye. Yeah, I'll put on my eye.
Okay, the next one is.
I love this one so much. I will play with this.
Wait. You have to choose. You have to choose from three. Only one.
Only one.
Oh my god, I'm going to use this one outside. I will show you how to do my trick. I will do my trick.
Listen. Wait. Close it first.
No, stop.
Okay, open your candy.
What do you want?
Ano?
Give me some.
No.
Papakain ko, hindi.
This one.
Choose the one.
Okay, open.
What are you going to
Feeling
say?
ko, peke yung laman. Ay,
Ah!
sayang, dapat tinigil mo muna yung laman.
Kaya nga, sayang. Sana nilagyan ko palang mangga.
Be careful.
Oh my.
You like it?
Where's the password?
Oh, what's the password?
Thank you so much.
Alam niya yung password, me.
518.
Alam niya yung password.
How did you put games?
You didn't say thank you first.
Thank you, Sissy.
What are you gonna do?
Ah.
Hug Sisi, go. Hug Sisi.